Tilly keeps breaking everything. So hi guys, it's Jane here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a huge B&M haul. I think it's one of the biggest B&M hauls I've ever done, which cost over £130. I have a few homeware bits to share with you as well. So without further ado, let's just jump straight in. So the first item that I picked up were these lovely sort of geo glasses. These were £4. We got these because Tilly keeps breaking everything, so we're literally almost out of glasses. I did pick up 4 of these. I've had them before, they're really good quality, but Tilly's made her way through them. But yeah, they're a nice little pattern on there, if you can see, sort of like a geo style. And yeah, they were sort of work out at £1 each, which is absolutely amazing. So the next item that I picked up for £2.99 were these sort of velvet look 9-inch light shades. So I got 2. They're basically to replace the ones that we have in our bedroom, which are starting to look a little bit dirty. So I got these ones just to replace them. I might actually replace the lamps at some point, but this is just kind of like a quick fix. And for £2.99, you know, it's well worth it. So yeah, I got those as well. I wanted some extra shelving as well in my utility, and I couldn't find just a standard sort of black shelf, but I did find these ones which were sort of like a 3 set of floating shelves that kind of look like that, if you can see from the picture there. They're sort of like 3 together, and they were £8. You get all the fittings and everything with them. They've kind of sort of tried to do away with a lot of the sort of packaging and stuff, and they're just actually in like a shrink wrap plastic. So yeah, I thought I would get those as well. And like I said, I got them in black. I think they did them in like white as well, and they did them in like a wood colour as well, if you're interested. Sticking to homeware, I did pick up this acacia wood serve board. It's like a chopping board. I should hold it that way. It was £6, as you can see. This is just handy. We do have a marble top, but it's good when you're picking the marble top up to put it into your, say if you've cut onion or whatever, but it is quite heavy. So I thought I would get a chopping board. The last board I had got really old, and actually I think we put it in the dishwasher and it split. So yeah, I needed a new one. So yeah, I thought that was pretty good. It looks really good quality. It's kind of rustic looking, which I really like. Yeah, and £6. They did some different ones. They had a lovely heart-shaped one, which I think was £4, but it wasn't. I just wanted just a standard sort of oblong one, so I got this one. Right, moving on to one of my favourite things that you can get from Home Bargains, and this is so amazing, is this Restore Reed diffuser. They are £4. They smell absolutely amazing. I cannot recommend them enough. Honestly, it's sandalwood, cedar and cardamom, and it smells insane, honestly. And I sort of love the packaging as well. It comes in like this frosted glass with lovely reeds. I will do a little insert of it as well so that you can have a look, but it smells absolutely divine, and I think it's worth every penny of them £4. I did pick up 2 of them because I think they're amazing. Right, obviously Fabulosa is taking over at the minute, so I did pick up this sort of ready to use disinfectant. So you can kind of spray this anywhere. I think you can do it on like worktops, work surfaces, handles, doors handles, etc. It's 99.9% against bacteria and viruses, suitable for vegans as well. I think it's cruelty free as well, which is brilliant for Fabulosa. Well, obviously if it's vegan, suitable for vegans. But yeah, I got it in the scent Beautiful Life, which I did have a quick smell of. I haven't smelt this scent before, and if you looked at my last sort of shopping spree, I did kind of get a lot of that rainbow dust, which isn't my favourite scent anyway, because it kind of smells like love hearts. This one is just a really, really nice smell. It smells like a very subtle perfume, which is something that I prefer a little bit more if I'm going to be spraying it around the house. So the next thing that I picked up was this 3 set of blue. This was £2.99. It was actually 99p if you wanted to buy 1, so I thought it was worthwhile actually buying 3. So I got those as well. It's classed as a value pack. And then I also picked up these Addis, and these were £2 for a 5-pack. These are amazing. You can use them wet, you can use them dry. They're really good at like mopping up spills as well, and they are amazing. You can use them for sort of surfaces, doors, anywhere you like. They're really good. Right, next up I did pick up these Fabulosas. I've actually opened this one. This was $4.99. You actually get the spray with it as well and the container. It does come with batteries, which I've already loaded this already, and you've got the options as well of doing it for 9 minutes, 18 and 36 minutes. Like I said, you get the batteries with it. The smell of this one is really, really nice as well. I thought that was really good value for money for $4.99, so I did pick up 2 of those. Right, for $4.25 I picked up me and Sam some coffee. I do like an Americano. Sam is interested in lattes. These are kind of like the bigger packs as well, because normally now you end up only getting 6 in, which is a bit cheeky. They've kind of made the boxes a bit smaller, but they're still doing the bigger boxes in B&M. Right, next up I did pick up a pack of tuna. This is the one in spring water. This is the Ocean Fresh. It's a bigger pack, 5-pack, and I think this was about £3 something. Sorry, I haven't got my receipt with me, but it is also got the dolphin friendly on there as well, so that one's quite good. I did spot these waters as well, and I did get them in lemon and lime as well. These were like $1.40 for a pack of 4, and I thought they were quite good. I did pick up this big bottle of Robinson's real fruit juice, orange juice there. We'd completely ran out of cordial, so I had to get some more of that, and I think this was like $1.70, I think, but yeah, that's massive anyway. We needed some more of these Betty Crocker baking trays, so this is a 3-pack for £5. I thought that was a pretty good price, to be honest. Ours have got all a bit crappy and birds, so we need some new ones. I spotted these for £1, which I thought were really, really good. This is the Mexican shaker. It's obviously got Mexican spice in, and then I've got the Caribbean one as well, which I thought was really good. It's actually just going to be really nice to sort of season up any kind of meal, if you know what I mean. And they were only £1 each, which I thought was amazing. Going back to the Fabulosa, I really love this sort of Beautiful Life Fabulosa. This smells absolutely amazing. These are like £1 each. I actually got 2 lots, but I just love the smell of these. These smell wonderful. I did pick up this sort of peg tin, should I say. I really liked it because it has this sort of handy hook on the top there, so if you wanted to hang it on your line when you're hanging out, because we are getting better weather now and it's good to sort of start hanging out in the mornings, but I thought this was really nice. My old one's getting a little bit crappy, to be honest, so I thought I'd get this one, which is kind of like, I think it's like a very subtle grey, and it's sort of matches my aesthetic. It was £5, by the way, but I really, really like that. I thought it was really cute. Right, last but not least, I did pick up a new toilet seat. This is the Scandi one. It has actually got sort of like a chevron on the front there, which I thought was really good. It is quite a heavy. It was £18, as you can see. It is like that sort of melamine strong plastic, and I did need a new one because mine's getting a little bit nasty. So yeah, that's everything for the B&M haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!